Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a fall inspired makeup tutorial. It's a brown smoky eye with a pop of teal on the lid. I hope you guys enjoy, and to get this look, just keep on watching. Now I'm going to take my LA Colors Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and use that to cut the crease. And now that the eyes are all done, we're going to go ahead and move right along to the face. First, I'm going to prime my face for my foundation using my NARS Smooth and Protects primer. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade, well, the number 390, and conceal all these dark spots on my face before we go ahead and add the foundation. Now I'm going to go ahead with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 390. I'm going to apply that all over my face with my finger and then blend it out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Now going in with my Too Faced concealer in the color Cocoa, I believe. I'm going to use this as my contour and blend that out as well with my Beauty Blender. And now to highlight, I'm going to go in with my NARS, I think this is Natural Radiance Concealer in the color Caramel. And I'm going to apply that under the eye, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and right under my contour. And I'm going to blend that out as well with my Beauty Blender. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Rich Mahogany and applying that right on top of our Born This Way concealer. Now I'm taking Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the color Molten Gold and applying that to the highest points of my cheek, my nose, and my forehead. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you know the next time that I upload. Until then, see you guys later. Bye.